In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unhide home screen pages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and all you have to do is just hold down your finger somewhere here at empty space on your home screen. Just hold down until icon starts shaking and that dotted bar comes up. Then just tap on it to see all your home screen pages, including hidden. As you can see, now I got 5 different home screen pages, and just one of them is not hidden. In order to unhide the others, you can just check mark them and then hit add done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.